Welcome back. We are on the topic ratios. In the previous video, we solved a question on proportional division. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is Osei and Nana shared an amount of money in the ratio 3:7 respectively. If Osei received 320 Ghana cedis, calculate I, the amount of money shared, II, the amount of money Nana received. So an amount of money was shared among Osei and Nana in the ratio 3:7 respectively, meaning that Osei's part of the ratio is 3 and Nana's part of the ratio is 7. Osei received 320 Ghana cedis. We are going to use this information to calculate the amount of money that was shared, that is the total amount of money that was shared between Osei and Nana, and the amount of money Nana received. So from the question, we know that the ratio of Osei's share to Nana's share is 3:7, and Osei's share is 320 Ghana cedis. From what we've learned in ratios so far, we know that Osei's share will be equal to Osei's part of the ratio, which is 3, divided by the total ratio, which is 3 plus 7, times the total amount of money that was shared between Nana and Osei. We don't know that total amount of money. That is what we want to find. So let's represent that with a variable. So let P equal to the total amount of money that was shared. Remember, we are told in the question that Osei's share is 320 Ghana cedis. So we know that Osei's share is 320 Ghana cedis, and the total amount of money that was shared between them is P. From the ratio that was given to us in the question, we know that Osei's share is equal to Osei's part of the ratio, which is 3, divided by the total ratio, which is 3 plus 7, times the total amount of money that was shared between Osei and Nana. Osei's share is 320 Ghana cedis, so we can replace Osei's share with 320 Ghana cedis. We have our fraction here, 3 divided by 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10, so you have 3 divided by 10, times the total amount of money that was shared, which is now P. So we have 320 Ghana cedis is equal to 3 divided by 10 times P. Let's solve this linear equation for P. Our linear equation contains a fraction. So we will multiply both the left-hand side and the right-hand side by the LCM of the denominators. There's only one fraction, so the LCM of the denominator will be the same as the denominator. The denominator of this fraction is 10. So you multiply the left-hand side by 10 and you multiply the right-hand side by 10. 10 and 10 will cancel out. So you have 320 Ghana cedis times 10, which will give us 3,200 Ghana cedis, and 3 times P, which will give us 3P. Let's find P by dividing the left-hand side by 3 and the right-hand side by 3. So P will be equal to 3,200 Ghana cedis divided by 3. And this will give us 1,066 Ghana cedis, 67 pesos. But remember that we said P is the total amount of money that was shared. This means that the total amount of money that was shared was 1,066 Ghana cedis, 67 pesos. So we have now been able to find the total amount of money that was shared. We had 1,066 Ghana cedis, 67 pesos. We can now find Nana's share. We know that the ratio of Osei's share to Nana's share is 3:7. So Nana's share will be equal to Nana's part of the ratio, which is 7, divided by the total ratio, which is 3 plus 7, times the total amount of money that was shared, which is 1,066 Ghana cedis, 67 pesos. This will give us 7 divided by 10 times 1066 Ghana cedis, 67 pesos. And this is equal to 746 Ghana cedis, 67 pesos. So Nana's share was 746 Ghana cedis, 67 pesos. This is one way of finding Nana's share of the money. We can use another method. We know that the amount of money was shared between Osei and Nana. Osei had 320 Ghana cedis. We have been able to find the total amount of money that was shared to be 1066 Ghana cedis, 67 pesos. So to find Nana's share, we can simply subtract Osei's share from the total amount of money that was shared. So you have 1066 Ghana cedis, 67 pesos, minus Osei's share, which is 320 Ghana cedis. And we are going to have the same answer as 746 Ghana cedis, 67 pesos. So you can simply subtract Osei's share from the total amount of money that was shared to get Nana's share, or you can use the ratio to find Nana's share. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on proportional division. Bye bye.